Alright, my people, Dancehall skilla there again. Yes, big up and respect to each and every one. You see it? Alright, my people, so I saw a video posted on social media, and according to some things that I saw and heard in the video, and according to some information that had been put out there on social media about the video, I got the understanding that the video shows how a man, woman, and a child had been put off an airplane by employees of American Airlines. Yeah, the video that I saw on social media shows how a family had been put off an airplane by employees of American Airlines. Now, viewers and subscribers, according to some things that I saw in the video, and in my point of view, I think that they had been treated unfairly. See? Now, I could be right and I could be wrong, but I'm just telling you what I think, and I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to tell me what I think about the situation. So, for you to get a good understanding about the situation, I'm going to present to you pieces of videos from the entire video that I saw on social media. See? And based on the things that you're about to see and hear in these pieces of videos, you can also tell me what you think. And I want you to please bear in mind that these pieces of videos shows a confrontation between persons on that airplane. You see? So in one of these pieces of videos, you might hear someone yelling. You understand? Anyways, here's the first piece of video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
She told me I needed to sit down and put my feet on. Fine. She said, you need to get up. I said, can you move back? She said, is there going to be a problem? I said, no, there's not going to be. I didn't get aggressive with her. I didn't say anything. The young man that just said I got aggressive, he wasn't even here. He was all the way in the bed. I didn't do anything.
Okay. I wasn't here. I'm not saying what you did, but when the captain's made that request, I don't have any override.
How can the captain make a request of something he didn't see, he didn't know? There's also word is like all these people on the plane. I didn't do anything. No one did anything.
You have your belongings. Okay, we need to go.
And we had witnesses. I just want this to be known that she has a newborn. You're putting her off the plane due to the negligence of and unprofessionalism of one of your staff members.
She did absolutely nothing.
No, that's absolutely wrong.
You weren't even here.
Absolutely wrong.
I didn't do anything.
Put the video on.
I don't have to do anything.
Alright, now my people, you see, there's a part of the video that shows what happened when someone hit the phone out of the hand of the person who was video recording the situation. So for certain reasons, I take that part out of the video. But I want you to take a look at this next piece of video, and you're going to see and hear some things that happened after the phone had been knocked out of the person's hand. Now remember, the phone had been knocked out of the person's hand, of viewers and subscribers. I don't know who knocked the phone out of the person's hand. However, the starting part of this piece of the video is somewhat dark. You understand? Because the phone had been knocked out of the person's hand. So you're going to hear persons talking in the video, but you're not going to see anything in the starting at this piece of the video. Alright? Now listen carefully and observe, my people. Observe.
If we are treated unfairly, should we take this? We paid to be on this flight.
But y'all were making
No, you gonna knock my phone out my hand at the end of the day? This is my 7-week-old daughter being mistreated.
You weren't here.
You hear that?
If you had any compassion or empathy or decency,
Why was this has nothing to do with decency?
You put your finger
no,
on
it completely does.
Oh, please, I didn't.
Ain't no, oh please. I have a 7-week-old.
Let's go.
It's wrong.
You hear the things. You hear
It's all recorded. It is what it is. We have the people sitting in this area know exactly what happened. It's wrong.
Just listen, my people. Look and listen. See?
There was no problem here. It didn't even start with me. When? I have a 7 week. She's 7 weeks. She's 7 weeks. You want me to wait in the airport for 7 weeks? I didn't do anything.
And we asked her. All she asked her was, can she move to let us out the aisle? That's it. It's a travesty. A newborn child. Excuse me.
This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous.
Somebody who saw this or heard it, I hope y'all speak up, because it's wrong. Everybody who's been around here who knows that when this fellow over here came to get up, he came to get up, and we were getting up out our seat to move. She said, "Can you move?" We said, "Are we gonna move?" She said, "Can you give us space to get out?" It is ridiculous, absolutely ridiculous. Yup. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. You weren't here. And yet you took the opinion of somebody else over somebody carrying a child, a baby. We're not fools, we're educated. Masters, degrees, working hard. We don't come here for conflict. Let's go. A life story of peace. That's what it's about over here. It's a teacher, a first grade teacher.
You have the wrong impression of me, number
one. Well, guess what? You gave me that impression. You earned that impression. You earned it. You earned it.
Get your stuff, babe.
You earned it.
Get your stuff. Let's go.
This is what's happening. Trust me. You will be hearing from us on the legal level. We all got legal backing. Lawyers. Not dealing with no dummy. Makes no sense. I hope you sleep well tonight, brother. I hope you do.
If you got this bag under here, is that yours too?
We gonna get it.
Okay. I just trying to make sure I'm not forgetting. Are those any of your jacket?
Everybody sitting in this section knows exactly what happened.
Are those any of your jackets?
No. Everybody knows exactly what happened. So as y'all continue your flight, I hope that's on y'all mind. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nothing.
Thank you for speaking up, sir. Thank you for speaking up.
She accidentally bumped into her.
She didn't even bump into her. She asked her could she move so we could get out the seat.
Yeah, she was standing there. But
Then she told her, sit down, have a seat, put your seatbelt on. To a mother with a 7-week-old child. Told her to sit down, have a seat, buckle your seatbelt. It's ridiculous. Excuse me. Catherine, I want you to know you have a very impatient, unprofessional, and negligent staff. That's you right there. That's you. Now, see that? That's her. That's her right there.
Well, we don't have no choice. They put us on.
Look at that. American Airlines. Look at that.
Let's go, sir. Let's go. Let's go.
So, my people, you see what I talk about now. You see me I say? You see, in my point of view, I think that they had been treated unfairly. You understand? Because even though someone was yelling certain ways in the video in the viewers and subscribers, which is the man, and I understand, but I think he got upset because of how the whole situation played out. You understand? But the thing what I want to point out is that the things that when we hear them say, and according to how them say the thing, or things happen. Yes, so me and some people, me think that the whole situation could have been talked over, you know, really reasoned out. You understand? You see? So me just look upon it and I say to myself, so then a simple misunderstanding cause for those persons who are said to be a family to be put off a flight or an airplane. But people, and a real, I might be right and I might be wrong, but in my point of view, I think that they had been treated unfairly. That's what I think, viewers and subscribers. So I say, I mean no disrespect to no one, but at the same time, just I tell you what I think. I think that they had been treated unfairly. You see it? I think that situation could have been talked over, reasoned out, and it seems as if the man and the woman was willing to explain what happened, but it seems as if those persons who are said to be employees of that airline didn't really and truly want to hear what they have to say or to tolerate the whole situation according to their behavior. That's how me understand it. My people, and a real, tell me what you think. Say me I say, tell me what you think. Now my people, I would have totally understand if the man and the woman was fighting or if they were being very loud and harsh and throwing words, being disrespectful. I understand that. But, you know, me listen to the entire video on social media and I'm wondering if any of those persons used any form of bad words or inappropriate language then, as how some person might call it. But me no hear anyone say something like that. But maybe me wrong, maybe me right. And at the same time, a video only shows certain things that happened to a certain point. You see me? So anything could have happened before or anything could have happened after. You see me? I said, but I don't know. I don't know if I say, but in my point of view, and according to some things that I saw and heard in the entire video on social media, I think that they had been treated unfairly. That's what I think. But people, tell me if I'm wrong, you can tell me if I'm right. You understand? Yeah, you can tell me if I'm wrong and you can also tell me if I'm right. But that's what I think. Anyways, here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and everyone. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, do not be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch. Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man.